Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to resize an image in Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on a Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go ahead and click on file in order to add an image. Go ahead and click on open image, or you can also click on Ctrl+O, and then you can select an image from your PC. So for example, I'm gonna add this image, and then you need to choose the size. Once you choose the size, go ahead and click on apply. As you can see guys, now the image is added to your editor. So right now you need to just go ahead and click on arrange, and then click on the image that you added. Once you do that, if you zoom out, right now, as you can see guys, you need to just click on one corner and then hold this and drag it to the left or to the right. And as you can see guys, now the image is smaller. So if you want to be a lot freer, just go ahead and click on free right here in aspect. And as you can see guys, now you can resize the image. You can also go to this little icon and then hold it and drag it to the right or to the left if you want to rotate it. And right here, you can also change the size with numbers. And you can also change the position from here. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.